Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create cutting using sketch or how to cut our sketch in our part. First, let's create our sketch in face, planar face. Use this tool, partition face, using sketch. Select face, click on select vertical edges, and now we have our plan of sketch. Let's sketch our rectangular in this part. Also, let's add dimensions between 2.5 millimeter. Also, the last one. Now we have our sketch in our faces of our part. Click done. Now we have this sketch in these faces in the planar face. Now let's create partition using this sketch. Let's go to this tool, partition cell, extrude sweep edges. Select edges we need to create partition with it and click done. And now let's select extrude along direction. Select direction of creating of our parts. This direction, click OK, create partition. Now we have two cells in our model, the first cell and the second cell. Click done.